Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to collect payments with Jotform in 2026. If you want to accept payments for products, services, registrations, or donations through your online forms, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Jotform account. Next, create a new form or open an existing form from your dashboard. Now add the fields you need, such as customer information, product selection, or order details. Next, open the Form Elements panel and add a payment field to your form. Now choose your preferred payment gateway from the available options and connect it by signing in to your payment account. Next, configure your payment settings, including prices, currency, taxes, shipping, or other options if needed. Now customize the payment section so it matches the products or services you're offering. Next, save your settings and preview the form to make sure the payment process works correctly. Now submit a test payment using the payment provider's testing mode if it's available. Finally, publish your form and share it with your customers using a direct link or by embedding it on your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to collect payments with Jotform. Your form is now ready to accept secure online payments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.